The chemical molecules present in food that are beneficial to the body are called nutrients. And the nutrition is the science of food. Hello friends. Today, we are going to talk about most important part of our diet, cereals, millets and pulses. What is the nutritive value of it, and various other things like limiting amino acids present in food, and lastly what is the supplementary action of protein. Let's get started. Maize, also known as corn, is a cereal grain first domesticated by indigenous peoples in southern Mexico about 10,000 years ago. Per 100 gram it contains 11.1 gram protein, 3.6 gram fat, 66.2 gram carbohydrate and 342 kilocalories. Cereals are deficient in lysine, threonine and tryptophan. Maize in particular, poor in lysine and tryptophan. Excessive consumption of maize can lead to niacin deficiency disease, known as pellagra, which can be remembered by 3D: diarrhea, dementia and dermatitis. Do you know that rice is grown in every continent, except Antarctica? Just one seed of rice will result in 3,000 grains. 100 gram rice gives us 6.8 gram protein, 0.5 gram fat, 78.2 gram carbohydrate and 345 kilocalories. When not polished, rice is rich source of B group of vitamins. Parboiling, also known as hot soaking process, is done to preserve nutritive quality of rice, to prevent thiamine deficiency disease, known as dry and wet beriberi. Wheat originated in the cradle of civilization, in the Tigris and Euphrates River Valley, near what is now Iraq. It contains 11.8 gram protein, 1.5 gram fat, 71.2 carbs and 346 kilocalories per 100 grams. Jowar is an amazing source of iron and copper that are helpful in increasing the functioning of circulatory system. Per 100 grams it gives 10.4 grams protein, 1.9 gram fat, 72.6 carbohydrates and 349 kilocalories. Bajra, the gluten-free grain, is low in calories but packed with healthy nutrients that may contribute to weight loss, improved blood sugar levels, and other health benefits. Like most millets, bajra is a nutrient-dense source of protein, carbs, vitamins, minerals, especially 8 mg iron per 100 grams. Ragi has been found to have between 5 to 30 times the calcium content found in other cereals. It is also rich in phosphorus, potassium and iron. Humans have relied on pulses for centuries. Archaeological remains found in modern-day Turkey indicates that farmers grew chickpeas and lentils as far back as 7000 to 8000 BC. These tiny, multicolored seeds are loaded with protein, fiber, vitamins and minerals, which makes them an overall powerhouse among the food. It is also known as poor man's meat, as it gives more protein than animal food and it is affordable by rich and poor alike. Compared to cereals, pulses contains 3 times more protein than rice and 2 times more than wheat. Although deficient in methionine and threonine, when germinated, it becomes rich in vitamins including vitamin C. Did you know, soybeans have been called meat without bones, because, although this versatile bean is small in comparison to many other beans, it is packed with protein, very similar to the protein in meat, dairy products and eggs. Desi, meaning country or local in Hindi, is also known as Bengal gram or Kala Chana. There is a saying in Gujarati that Shakhai Chana, Ajeve Ghana, which means it gives you long life. It gives us 17.1 gram protein, 5.3 gram fat, 202 gram calcium and 4.6 milligrams iron. Urad dal is also known as black gram in English and masher in Ayurveda. It is used for various medicinal purposes in Ayurvedic system of medicine. It is a rich source of nutrition and helps boost energy. Urad dal is rich in fibers which help improves digestion. Red gram has a deep root system, and it extracts minerals, nutrients, moisture from the deep soil. In this process, it breaks the hard pans of the soil, which is helpful in improving the structural condition of the soil. Per 100 grams it gives 22.3 grams proteins, 1.7 gram fat, 73 milligrams calcium and 2.7 milligrams of iron. Moong dal is packed with protein and low carbs. Green gram, otherwise known as moong dal, is one of the best vegetarian superfoods. Apart from 348 kilocalories, it is having 24.5 grams protein and 3.9 milligrams of iron. Peas are a good source of vitamin A, vitamin C, folate, thiamine, B1, iron and phosphorus. They are also rich in protein, carbohydrate and fiber and low in fat. A 100 calories serving of peas contains more protein than a whole egg or tablespoon of peanut butter. Now, we know that cereals are deficient in lysine and threonine, and pulses in methionine and tryptophan. But they are complementary in limiting essential amino acid composition. For example, a limiting essential amino acid in one protein is present in excess amounts in another protein and vice versa. So they supplement each other and make good quality protein in diet. This is known as supplementary action of protein. Examples are dal, rice and khichdi. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more nutritional videos. See you soon.